Why is gold on fire? The precious metal has been rallying and its price continues to surge in both global and Indian markets. Let's break down the key reasons behind this sharp rise. As of 11th February, 4:12 p.m. Indian Standard Time, the price of 24-carat gold in Mumbai is 87,770 rupee per 10 grams. Meanwhile, in the global market, gold futures for April 2025 are trading at $2,913.10 per ounce, reflecting strong demand despite a slight dip of 0.73% in today's session. So, what's driving this rally in gold? Fear of trade wars. The biggest factor is uncertainty around US President Donald Trump's tariff policies. Recent announcements about new 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum imports have fueled concerns about trade wars, pushing investors towards safe haven assets like gold. Geopolitical tensions. Trump's Middle East policies, including the proposed Gaza takeover plan, have rattled global markets. Investors fear instability in the region, which is historically linked to rising gold prices. Central bank buying. Several major central banks, including those of China, India, and Russia, have been aggressively increasing their gold reserves. This steady accumulation has strengthened global demand, supporting higher prices. Emotional buying and FOMO. With gold prices nearing 90,000 rupee per 10 grams, there's growing talk of it touching 1 lakh rupees soon. Many retail investors are rushing to buy gold, fearing they might miss out on further gains, further driving up demand. As gold continues its strong run, analysts are closely watching its next move. Will it cross $3,000 globally and 1 lakh rupees in India soon? We'll keep tracking the latest developments. Stay tuned to Business Upturn for more updates.